everyone, so today I have got an exciting video and I have got another Scent Edit box to unbox for you guys. I'm so excited about unboxing this. I feel like it's been absolutely ages since we've had a Scent on Edit, like absolutely ages. So if you don't know what the Lookfantastic Scent Edits are, they are a beauty box which contain a bundle of mini size fragrances, normally like minis of the versions of the fragrances, not sample sizes, anything like that, like little minis, and between 5 and 7 mils they are normally are. And then you get a couple of them, and then you get a £55 voucher. So a voucher that is the cost of this box, which is £55, that you can redeem on one of these perfumes. And I actually this time was allowed, because normally it only allows you to redeem them on 50ml or more, but it actually let me redeem mine on a 30ml fragrance, and I'll tell you which one it was. So what you get in this box, and anyways, so the first one is the YSL Libre, and this is 7.5ml fragrance, and it's like a mini of the full size. I'm a big YSL perfume lover. I love Manpuri, I love all the black autumns I've had, and I've had a few, but I'm not the biggest fan of this one. Yeah, it's just not for me, but lovely little fragrance in its like size, lovely little fragrance. Bottle's beautiful actually, but just not a personal preference for me. Then we've got a Giorgio Armani C Mini, and this is a 7ml, and this is beautiful. This is such a gorgeous fragrance, and this is it. Yeah, so that's that one there, really nice. We've got the Prada Paradox one, and this is a 7ml size, and this is it. Yeah, this is a more of a newer fragrance, like newer out than some, and it's a nice fragrance. I'm sure I've got a mini of this. It's a nice one. So this would be perfect for one to swap your voucher for as a present. Then we have got, which I'm so excited about, this is the new Lancome Le Vestabelle Vanilla Nude. It's only a 4ml one, but I think normally the Lancome ones are 4ml, like in these size. And this is their new one. I'm so excited about it. This is what the bottle looks like. How pretty is this? Let's have a smell of this. Oh, you can really smell the vanilla in it. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm not the biggest vanilla lover, but that is done just right. Oh, I think this might be a new fragrance that I might just have to get. Oh, so you get that one. And then last but not least, you get the Valentino Born in Roma, and this is actually what I swapped my perfume for, my voucher for this one here, because I got it as a Christmas. I end up swapping it for a Christmas gift for someone, but that is it there. How cute is this bottle? Oh, I actually don't know whether I've smelled this. Oh, it's really nice actually. It's really nice. I'm sure I've had a mini of this as well, but I'll end up gifting it away along the lines. So yeah, I swapped my voucher in for 30ml of this one. I don't know how long they'll keep it at that, but in this box you get a 6ml of the Valentino Born in Roma, the new Lancome Vestabelle Vanilla Nude, the YSL Libre one, the Giorgio Armani C, and then the Prada Paradox, and that is what you get in this beauty box for £55. You get all these minis, and then you get a £55 voucher that you can use to redeem against the full size of one of these fragrances that you get in this box. I think it's such good value. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and anyways, if you like these types of videos, I would love you to subscribe down below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.